What up, everyone? This is my first Harley, a 2018 Sportster XL1200 Custom. I named her Amber. You'll see why in a bit. So I've done a few little things to her. I did the Puig windscreen. I know it's different, but I just wanted that initial hit in the chest gone, but I didn't want to add a quarter fairing there. I changed the headlight to a Moonz. I think it's a Flymaker. You'll notice I have different light heads in there. Those are actually Feniex, F-E-N-I-E-X Cannons, Feniex Cannons. Those are dual function or dual color emergency strobe light that I actually programmed for steady burn amber and steady burn white. So ignition on, that's white, and then blink amber. Did the same thing for the rear. Kind of just did a ABS piece of plastic. This isn't going to be a permanent mounting situation, so I'll be changing that out later. But that one, bright red for brake, amber for turn, and dual functioning. I did the Vance&Hines naked VO2 air intake because I didn't want to drop $300-400 on the intake. This one does a great job. I also tried out the Danmoto 2-to-1 exhaust, the Highwayman. Pretty good. It's got some flaws, but shit, for the price, she runs great and sounds really good. I did wrap the headers myself. I got some wrap off of Amazon. And then the DEI high temp silicone black paint that I sprayed over the wrap. Fucking paint is coming off already. I did add the Vance&Hines FuelPak FP3 on the other side under the cover. Not much up here. Actually, I mounted this switch for the Rigid Industries Ignite bike kit. These guys are super bright, and they have there we go. They have two brightness, low and high. I'll show you that in a minute. So I kind of just ran those wires up here. I did try out different mounts, bar mounts, several clamp styles. They were just too bulky and ugly for this tiny little light. This little light head measures 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 by 2 inches. It's super tiny and packs some serious heat. Back to these really quick. These guys require a controller because they are an emergency strobe light, which they can flash, I think it's 40 different flash patterns on top of the steady burn. These are the controllers for them. I mounted them in the front because there was nowhere else to mount them. Barely see them, which is good. The rears are mounted right there, top of the chrome trim. I just picked up a Corbin seat last week at Corbin. Feels great. That's the black leather with the dark gray stitching. I got Viking hard bags for my Sporty. I really like the painted look, the shiny look that it adds to the bike. A lot of people were talking shit because I put hard bags on a Sporty. Actually saddlebags period, but in my line of work I need to carry a lot of stuff, especially tools, so these come in handy. I did add the Harley Davidson Detachable Sissy bar. I like the way it looks, plus it's super comfortable for my wife. Everything else is stock. Fire her up, see how she sounds. She's got to warm up anyway.